Whether it's a business trip or you enjoy exploring different corners of the world, you can't travel with dead electronic devices. Not all countries have the same plugs and voltages running inside, and how can you enjoy your trip without your devices? A travel power adapter can work for you no matter where you go. Your traveling checklist is never complete without them, as they help you get the exact amount of voltage required. An adapter suitable for multiple devices is a must-have, as it would be a waste of money to buy separate power adapters for all your devices. With one of these, you can charge your electronics at the airport or after landing at your destination with no hassle. We've reviewed the most reliable travel power adapters of 2023, so check them to keep in touch with the world on your next trip. Number 1. DoAce Travel Power Adapter. The DoAce Travel Power Adapter outshines the competition in terms of functionality, boasting a 3-in-1 design that includes adapters, USB ports, and a converter. This lightweight and portable adapter works quietly at 100 to 220 volts, and its thermal controller ensures your safety with every usage. This travel power adapter is suitable for use in more than 190 countries as the perfect dual adapter for smartphones, laptops, hair care accessories, and more. This handy travel power adapter supports devices ranging from 26 to 2200 watts and consists of 2 adapters and 1 converter to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. This travel power adapter is at the top of our list because it has 4 USB ports and a 10A built-in fuse to protect against power overloads, offering you both safety and convenience as you use it. Number 2. Tesson Travel Power Adapter. The Tesson Travel Power Adapter is primarily compatible with plugs in most European countries, but it also works in parts of Central America and Asia as well. It has a 3-in-1 design with a maximum capacity of 2,500 watts and a 10A load to protect your devices against heat overload. With this compact C-type travel power adapter, you can charge your smartphone, camera, and tablet at the same time in its dual USB charging port. Due to its small size, you can easily store this travel power adapter and plug it in pretty much anywhere, whether that's the bathroom, the kitchen, or the bedroom to keep your gadgets alive. This adapter is easy to use thanks to its flat, durable design, making it a great choice for travelers who are always on the go, especially if your destination is in Europe. Number 3. Epica Travel Power Adapter. This universal travel power adapter from Epica can help you stay connected with the world in more than 150 countries and protect your devices with its 8A overload dual fuse. No list would be complete without this product because, at one time, you can charge up to 6 gadgets with its 4 USB slots, USB-C port, and AC socket. This travel power adapter can handle 880 to 1840 watts at 110 to 240 volts, offering you more convenient use no matter what you need to charge. This travel power adapter has a C-type outlet to charge your smartphones, tablets, hair gadgets, and cameras, making it the ideal travel partner. Not only does it charge quickly, but it also automatically avoids overcharging and overheating. Even better is that it's available in a few different colors, which can help you make a style statement or differentiate your travel power adapter from your family's. Number 4. Septix Travel Power Adapter. The Septix Travel Power Adapter is a handy gadget that works at 100 to 240 volts to charge multiple devices on your international trip. It features 2 USB outlets, 2 USA outlets, and a micro USB cable, making it perfect for everyday traveling, and with its 5 universal plugs, you can recharge your smartphone, laptop, electric toothbrush, and flashlight almost anywhere in the world. Ultra-compact size measuring 2.75 inches x 3.75 inches x 1.5 inches and weighs less than 5 ounces, travel pouch included, fast charge quick charge compatible devices such as Samsung Galaxy, tablets, and more. You can plug up to 2 devices into this travel power adapter's USB ports at once and its built-in surge protection will take care of them by supplying low-voltage power. You don't need extra space in your travel suitcase, as it's pretty compact and can fit into small places, and even better is that it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 5. Nuvanga Travel Power Adapter. The Nuvanga Travel Power Adapter is a universal converter that can charge multiple electronic devices with 2 USB slots of 240 input voltage. To keep customer safety in mind, not to mention the safety of your electronic devices, this adapter cuts the power supply when the current exceeds the expected value of 6.3 amperes thanks to its built-in fuse. This travel power adapter is a lightweight device designed to keep your non-grounded gadgets full of energy and applies to polarized prongs as well. It can charge multiple devices, including digital cameras, smartphones, speakers, and more, letting you get the most out of your vacation without having to worry about your devices dying. With a power rating of 6 amperes, this travel adapter can work efficiently with 660 watts at 110 volts and 1380 watts at 230 volts in more than 150 countries across the globe.